Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, and welcome to this tutorial on how to AFK raid on Anime Dimensions on mobile, Android specifically. I don't know why I said mobile. Android specifically. This doesn't work on iOS that I know of. I haven't seen any videos about it, so it probably doesn't work on iOS. And yeah, so if you're on iOS, sorry, but this is Android specific. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open the Google Play Store, look up Auto Clicker, and scroll till you find this one. Any of them should work if it's like the same, if you like set up certain like presses, but this is the one I'm going to be explaining how to use. So if you want to, just download this one. You're going to want to download it, open it up, and give it permissions. And if you don't trust it, don't give it permissions. And then press start service, I think, and this UI should pop up. And once you do all that, we're going to want to go into a raid lobby on Anime Dimensions. I'll see you there. Alright, now that we're here, all you're going to want to do is on this UI, hit the middle button, and that'll record any input you make on the screen. Hit play, then hit create. Oh, dude. As far bottom left as you can get it. You want to hit in the bottom left corner, because just trust me, yeah. After that, what raid are we gonna do? You can do any raid, but I don't recommend scrolling at all, because it has a tendency to break a lot. So just don't scroll up to any other raid. Do one of these top ones, and this goes for any update in the future. Just do the top ones, even if you have the characters. So me personally, I do this one. Hit friends only, hit create, and hit this top button. Oh, don't hit. I said that so wrong. Just click right there, right above back. That'll hit start once you actually start doing the raid. And then spam your moveset and your assists. And if you have an awakening, I guess click right here. Me personally, I spam it a little slower than that, just to give it time to use all my moves. But you can spam it however many times, as fast as you like. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, and that's it. Once you're done, hit this red button. You can name it if you want. Hit save. Hit infinite loop. And then where you see where it says cycle interval, hit that. And me personally, I set this to 10. It'll just restart the cycle like as fast as possible. And I'll show you what mine looks like in a second here. Mine looks like this. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy to set up. However, you wanna do the first part as fast as possible so that you're not wasting time. But it honestly shouldn't matter. Some tips. As I said before, don't scroll down to any raid. It has a tendency to break a lot. And in terms of characters, oh, I'm in a raid. I didn't realize it was gonna start. In terms of characters, you can use any characters you like. You like. I don't really recommend characters with dashes because you'll dash away from the boss. However, it shouldn't be too big of a problem. Like I used to use dashing characters because those were my best ones, and it really didn't change. Oh yeah, and in the Garl raid specifically, I don't know why, he just turns you around for some reason. It's so odd. So if you're not really like wanting a character or like if you're not looking to do a specific raid, I recommend Mitsuri or Rengoku. But I don't know if Rengoku turns you around, so you might have to test that yourself. But yeah, I think that's about it. All of this should work in the future as well. It's just that the raids will be different, obviously, because of future updates and stuff. So this should honestly be the last tutorial I have to make. I wanted to make this one as good as possible because I didn't like the first tutorial, or the second tutorial I made, because I think that's the one where I showed how to do the Monkey Titan raid. and that's like super shitty advice, like to do this whole scrolling thing, because it has a tendency to break way too often and it's not reliable whatsoever. But yeah, I hope this helps everybody. I hope this works for everybody. Sorry for my iOS people, I just can't help you there. You're just gonna have to do the raid every hour, unfortunately. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this. See you later.